What's up, guys? Good morning. 3:40 a.m. Getting ready to go. I gotta be quiet. Everybody's sleeping. I'll see you at the meetup point. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day. Got up 3:30 a.m. Got ready. Bike has been ready in the garage since yesterday. Today's the day. Me and the boys are going to Tennessee to go meet Traveling Tall, Robert Simmons, Queen Sit, Rusty Bagger. Have a special guest, and you will see here in a few minutes who's actually coming with us. Barber CVO 19, Glenn, and Dave from Motovisual is going to be heading up Friday. But anyway, I'm going to head out now and meet that special guest who's coming with us. And then we're going to go and meet up at the Wawa in Parsippany, New Jersey. Meet the rest of the guys. And then we're going to be heading out for a long ride. It's going to be well over 2,000 miles round trip. I can't wait. Psyched. Do a lot of great riding, a lot of great content for you guys. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, hit that subscribe button, click the bell so this way you guys get notified of all upcoming new videos, and give this video a thumbs up. Really do appreciate it. It's going to be an epic trip. All right, guys, had to be real quiet and want to wake the family up. Got up super early. You know that feeling right before you go away on a trip, like you're anxious and you can't wait to go, and you know you got to wake up early, so you're kind of even anxious even before you even hit the bed, because you know you got to get up early. You don't want to get up late because you got to meet everyone. So I'm sure you guys know the feeling. But let's see here. It's about 69 degrees. Feels really nice now. It's not that humid out, but it did rain last night, so the roads are a little wet, but not a big deal. So stay tuned. We're going to have an awesome series of videos for you guys in this series. We're going to be doing, like I said, the back of the dragon, tail of the dragon, Smoky Mountains, Foothills Parkway, and a whole bunch of other roads that Tall is going to be taking us on. So I just can't wait. This is going to be really, really fun. A lot of great content. And also, I'm going to be going to a lot of places that I've never been to. So I checked the bike over yesterday, tire pressures, oil, all that stuff. Everything is good. Bike is running fantastic. I just did an oil change, I guess, a couple hundred miles ago, so I'm good with that. And we're going to be definitely putting on well over 2,000 miles on this trip. One way is about, I believe, almost 800 miles. So that's 1,600 miles there and back in itself. We're going to definitely put on, I would say, anywhere from 500 to 800, I'm going to say, miles just riding around over there in Tennessee, North Carolina, Virginia. It's going to be a great trip. We just got back from Laconia, so when I packed for Laconia, I think I overpacked a little bit. It kind of helped me gauge exactly what I need on this trip, so it always helps. All right, guys, so stay tuned. We're gonna go meet up with our special guest, and then we're gonna go meet up with the rest of the guys. And looky, mystery guest, Mr. Big Guy.
Good morning.
What's up, buddy?
What are we doing?
How you doing? Alright, so we're about 0.6 miles away from the other meetup. Big Guy looking good with the full face helmet. Hey, you washed your bike? No?
We're coming to rain yet.
It looks clean. Oh, yeah. So this is the first long trip that I've taken with Big Guy since, wow, I guess it's been about 3 years ago, when we went down to South Carolina in the winter. You guys can check that video out. We left, there was like 2 inches of snow on the ground. Bob is CVO in the building.
Man, how you doing?
What's up, brother?
Too early, man.
What do you mean too early?
Yeah.
It's never too early. Oh, Mr. Glenn. Oh, my man. What's up, brother?
Ready or what?
Yeah, hell yeah, man.
Come, huh? 7-Eleven up the street if you want to get coffee.
Oh.
I didn't realize they were renovating. It's like less than a mile and a half.
Yeah, let's do that. Right, you want a cup before we go? Yeah. I'll follow you. So the Wawa, they're giving gas, but I guess the store is closed, so we're gonna head down the road a bit. Go to the 7-Eleven just so we could grab a cup of coffee and some waters, maybe some snacks, and then we'll hit the road. So it's going to be 287 to 78 west, and then 81 basically, Route 81 south. So it's going to be a pretty boring ride. It's just going to be straight highway shot. So I'll keep you guys posted at our stops. It's cloudy, getting a little drizzle. Hopefully it holds up. Man, Camilo's bike is looking wicked with all them lights. I need some. And let me tell you, at nighttime, you can see that thing a mile away. And that's really important.
guys, so Mr. Glenn, big guy, Barber CVO 19. We're ready to go. We're gonna head out, like I said, 78, 81 south, all the way. It's looking like 559 miles to the back of the Dragon. So we're gonna try to do all those miles today, right now, and see how we feel. Hopefully we could do the back of the Dragon today, and then tomorrow finish up the trip straight to Knoxville, Tennessee. So that's it for now. We'll see you guys on the ride, and we'll be making stops, and I'll be showing you guys when we stop. But until then, we'll see you guys later. Make sure you stay tuned for all of these videos because it is going to be epic. See you guys later.